celebrating 12 years of moving Filipinos, one step closer to the world. Phil Global Immigration Services Corporation.
Phil Global for me is a passion project talaga. So it came because I studied in London back in 2010. And then sa panahon na yun, talagang mahirap maghanap ng mga agencies na matitino, no? So I came from 2 agencies na nagloko sa akin. So parang inisip ko, kung hindi ko gagawin to agency na to, sino ang gagawa nito? So 12 years ago, it was almost impossible to find really good pathways to study abroad. So sometimes bibigyan ka ng offer, pero pagdating nun pala, mali pala, ang school para magsasara. So it was not that transparent as before. So Phil Global came to be that project na gusto namin para sa mga Pilipino na mabigyan sila ng daan kung paano sila makalis sa ibang bansa, makapag-aral, and compete globally with their talent, with their knowledge in the Philippines, and how they can also upskill their skills para that way ay mabigyan nila ng tunay na pansin yung world-class talent nila.
Okay, so 12 years na si Phil Global. Can you imagine that? I am so blessed and very privileged to have this position that I'm having right now. I'm also one of the attendees of the orientation in Phil Global. There was a program way back 2015, Denmark Immigration Pilot Program. So as a nurse, I was interested to attend that orientation, and our paths crossed, and we also have common friends who really introduced this to me and offered this opportunity to work in Phil Global then as a business support manager. Malapit sa puso sa akin ng Phil Global kasi nga marami kaming natulungan ng mga Pilipino. Pareho pa rin po yung mabigay namin na suporta at kalinga sa lahat ng aming mga estudyante. So maraming salamat po sa tiwala ninyo sa amin at nandito po kami sa Phil Global, ever willing to help and inspire each and everybody, especially our Filipinos.
Actually, nirecommend siya ng friend of mine. Kasi that time, I was already resigned work before. So, nag-try ako. Sabi ko, since ito is different field naman, why not i-try ko siya? Nung nagamay ko na siya, actually, na ano ko sa sarili ko na pang dito pala talaga ako, pang Phil Global pala talaga. So, yung unang-unang member ko, actually, she was the first Fly Now Pay Later member of Phil Global, and galing siya sa akin. She is Miss Maria Cristina Delfin. Actually, she's already in Australia, waiting for her permanent residency, payback 2018. So, ibig sabihin ko, ilang taon na po ako, ganon na rin yung taon na nandun si Ma'am Cristina Delfin. And good thing po, kasama niya po doon yung kanyang partner using the de facto visa before. So, ngayon natutuwa ko kasi kahit sabihin mo napakatagal na panahon na yun, 8 years na yun nakaraan na yun, nagre-reach out pa rin sa akin si Ma'am Maria Cristina Delfin. And hindi siya nakakalimot sa aming dalawa ni Sir Birch kasi talagang kami daw po yung nagbago ng kanilang buhay na mag-asawa. So nakakatuwa po sa part po namin ni Sir Birch.
I work at Phil Global because I believe education and global exposure can transform life. Before, as a pathway consultant, yung pakiramdam ko sa mga natulungan ko is very fulfilling. Yung pakiramdam na may nagpapasalamat sa'yo while doing your job is kakaiba yun. Yung inaakala mo minsan na parang nag-iisip ka na, ang dami kong problema, but merong nagdadasal na family sa'yo, no, na minsan nare-realize mo na yung natulungan mo is nakatulong din sa iba. Dahil nga, ngayon, tinutulungan na nila yung mga families nila para din makapag-migrate to other country. Ang goal natin dito is to help all Filipinos to become a world-class leader.
That time, ilan lang din palang uli yung employees ng Phil Global. And now, ilan lang din yung branches na meron si Phil Global. Pero after 2 to 3 years, so talagang nag-expand si Phil Global. Hindi lang dito sa Pilipinas, but of course, globally, we were able to open Dubai branch, and that's something na kiniklaim natin, no, from the company name itself. global, no? So I think yun yung direction na gusto talaga nating puntahan, no? Makatulong tayo hindi lang dito, but global talaga, no? Makapag-provide tayo ng support and assistance ng mga aspiring students and professionals, no? To fulfill their dreams of studying and eventually living dun sa kanilang dream country. 12 fruitful years, no? And ang laki talaga nung in-evolve ng Phil Global. So sana magpatuloy ka, no? Doing yung iyong advocacy, makatulong sa maraming Pilipino, no? Na nag-a-aspire na matupad yung pangarap nila.
Phil Global, ngayon, ibang-iba na. Kasi before, ang in-offer lang natin, Phil Global. So lahat tayo naka-Phil Global. For now, we do have additional 3 affiliates. We do have the Americas, the Europa, and the APEC. So from that, mabilis yung growth ng company natin. We do have a lot of branches na rin from different part of the Philippines, and also we do have international na. So yun yung patunay na magandang kumpanya, si Phil Global. Mabilis yung growth natin, and since nag-grow tayo, mas marami ring mga Pilipino ang natutulungan natin na ma-fulfill yung kanilang mga dreams. So yung 12-year anniversary natin, patunay lang yan na maganda talaga yung advokasya na ginagawa ni Sir Birch sa mga kababayan natin. So hindi katulad ng ibang mga kumpanya na 1 taon lang, 2 taon lang, 5 taon lang nawawala na sa industriya. Since immigration consultancy, mahirap talaga siya. Pero tayo na-survive natin yung 12 years na yan, and more years to come. Sa pagtutulungan ng bawat isa, hindi lang yan credits to the higher management, to the BDMs, lahat yan, from education counselors, to our school partners din na walang sawang tumutulong sa atin na mabigyan ng mga programs, opportunities yung mga aspiring members po natin.
Yung pinaka hindi ko po makakalimutan na client, si Sir Earl John. Sobrang memorable niya po sa akin kasi hindi pa po siya graduate ng senior high school. Nag-i-start na po siya ng process sa atin. March siya, nag-i-start, and then lumabas po yung approval ng visa niya ng July. So, ganun lang po siya kabilis. Like, 4 months lang siya kung tutuusin. Pero nangangamba na po talaga yung client namin na yun kasi ang pasukan niya po September intake. So, magpapasukan na din dito sa atin sa Pinas. Pero natutuwa lang din po ako sa kanila kasi sobrang practical po talaga nilang mag-isip. Nakapasa din po kasi siya dito sa isang malaking school dito sa atin sa Pinas. And then, nagwo-worry siya na baka hindi pa siya magkaroon ng approval, ganyan, kasi magpapasukan na. Pero, na-approve naman po siya and nandun na po siya sa Canada na pinagpapatuloy niya na po yung study niya doon. And ang program po na kinuha niya, practical nursing po. And nakikita ko po yung my day niya sa Facebook. Ang dami niya na pong napupuntahan po na location po doon sa Canada. Sa mga nag-hesitate naman po na mag-start ng application po nila, wag po kayo mag-hesitate kasi para sa akin po, kung hindi po kayo mag-i-start ng application, wala pong magiging progress po sa application po ninyo. So, wala pong masama kung susubukan po ninyo, at least tinry po ninyo, and makita nyo po, and ma-achieve nyo po yung dream niyo.
Okay, so my experience with Phil Global, actually, I started my journey with Phil Global as an intern last 2018. Nag-work ako with Sir Birch as a marketing executive. Nakita ko yung ganda ng service. Ganda ng service na pinoprovide towards to the clients and kung ano talaga yung goal ng service na yon. So, nung nagkaroon ako ng opportunity, nag-message na open ang Phil Global at tawag kami for an interview. So, ginrab ko talaga yung opportunity na yon because I think na makakatulong ako sa company na to doon sa goal na gusto nilang ma-achieve. So, saan patungo si Phil Global? Ako, ang nakikita ko kay Phil Global is kakaroon tayo ng offices in other countries para that way mas malapit tayo sa mga kapwa natin or kababayan natin abroad na gusto nila ding dalhin yung kanilang kapamilya doon sa bansa na yon. So, ganun ko nakikita si Phil Global kasi malaki na si Phil Global. We already expanded our office in Dubai. I'm seeing Phil Global to have an office in European countries and in English country like Canada and Australia. So, ganun ko nakikita or na-visualize si Phil Global in the upcoming year.
Well, unforgettable sa akin kasi for the first time dito ako nakatikim sa Phil Global nang lumipad tayo Pumunta tayo sa Cebu kasi usually busy ako sa job ko, sa work ko, as a liaison officer. Kahit saan ako mag-work noon, as in talagang busy lang ako. on my own work. Kaya lang dito, iba talagang ma-enforce ka na sumama sa kanila para ma-experience mo naman yung ibang ambience kung tawagin. Ang Phil Global talagang tinutulungan naman ng mga student na gustong mag-aral sa abroad. Tsaka hindi natin sila pinababayaan. Hindi natin sila basta-basta pinaalis na wala silang alam. To be honest tayo sa kanila na kung hindi sila po pwede, mga client natin dito dahil ina-explain talaga ng mga sales natin kung ano yung bawal, ano yung hindi, kung pwede ka o hindi, para hindi ka mag-aaksaya ng panahon mo sa inaasikaso mo rito. We keep doing our job well. Hindi natin pinababayaan ang sarili natin, pati ang client natin. So overall, we keep moving on. Through thick and thin, andyan pa rin tayo.
Ang unahin ko pong pasalamatan ay of course our chairman and founder, Mr. Birch Ian Ranis, who really put up this Phil Global para marami din po siyang matulungan na not only clients but also employees who have stood up through the years. Sila din po ay malaking parte ng Phil Global kung ano po kami ngayon. Let's keep inspiring and love the Philippines, and I'm sure that we will go places with our vision to help each and every kababayan na gusto pong mag-aral, tumira sa ibang bansa at bumalik dito sa Pilipinas para maganda din ang buhay. Salamat po.
To become a world-class citizen, you have to study abroad. And iba yung pakiramdam pag uwi mo sa Pilipinas o pag uwi mo sa bayan mo, wherein you have brought with you that depth of knowledge, that technology, the new trends, artificial intelligence. And when you come back to the Philippines and you come back to your home country, you can also brag that by getting better employers, getting better rates, or setting up your own business. So that's something na kung hindi na natutunan dito, may matutunan ka sa ibang bansa. The 12 years anniversary for me probably is growth, adulthood. Iba na yung Phil Global when we started, when we had our first Christmas party in my room, in my house, just having KFC and pancit canton. So we're celebrating Christmas right now. We're planning to set it up in Boracay or maybe in Japan. So that's something exciting to look forward this year. And so I should say it's adulthood. We have grown into be one of the best immigration agencies in the Philippines and probably in the world. And that is why now we maintained our ISO certification as the first and only immigration company in the Philippines who have been accredited with them for almost 5 years now, because we want the standards of excellence to be there. We want the systems in place. And so we're developing also new technologies and using artificial intelligence with our system so that we can serve you better. And that's why for this 12 years anniversary, that's growth for Phil Global. Right? So for those who probably don't know me, I'm not very religious, but I'm spiritual. And I believe that Phil Global started because it was destined to really do this journey. So I thank the Lord, our Almighty Father, for giving us this opportunity to serve our people. And kasi you could never find joy and satisfaction if hindi mo gusto yung ginagawa mo. And this is something that I can do whether I'm paid or I'm not paid. And that's what I want to tell you, be passionate about what you do, because with this journey, very important yung mga clients na gustong pagsilbihan. So we could not do this as well without our beloved Phil Global members. We have 5,000 members worldwide. And thanks to you guys for believing and trusting Phil Global, we've grown to serving more clients. Every month we process about 100 visas. And so we want to serve the best to every Filipino member. And yung mga hindi pa members natin ngayon, we have now new corporations in place for you. We have Asia Pacific, we also have Americas, and we have Europa. So these new corporations will help you further at a more affordable pricing because they don't serve memberships. And so isa yan sa mga new innovations natin sa Phil Global. So maraming salamat po sa mga naniniwala na Phil Global can be of service to you. And tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang pagtulong hanggat merong isang Pilipino na naniniwala na they want to have changes in their lives kasi meron silang pagbabago na gustong ibigay sa pamilya nila. Nandyan si Phil Global para gabayan ka, hand-holding you towards that dream make that life-changing choice with Phil Global.